we wrap up with a quick client victory for the week? You want to jump in, Matt?
So I think one that stuck out in my mind this week is, I know we talk a lot about, pain and help a lot of people get out of pain. The other side of what we do is increase body performance. So was working with a high level athlete, semi-professional athlete the other day, and in extremely good shape, very healthy. The conversation was, well, I'm not really like feeling like any pain or symptoms, but I do just want to increase like mechanical efficiency. So he said, perfect, we can absolutely do that. So we did some functional tests and went into a squat, for example, and saw that the body shifted, to the left. So, we talked about how that was about body prioritizing using the left hip more than the right. And not that it's not causing any like symptom now, it could, but just an overall, balance and strengthening, like what we talked about before, like the body and reinforcing balance in it. If he's, working out with one side doing more work than the other, kind of just building or reinforcing that compensation or that imbalance. So did some exercises, and it was cool because the squat looked a lot better, but just how he felt in his body. It's like, wow, I actually feel like I'm standing on my right leg. And I had no idea that I wasn't, like, before. But now that that's changed, it's like, whoa, like I see how it's so different now. And I thought it was just cool because it's the value, that alignment and balance can provide, not just in pain relief, but just overall body function, and health and wellness. So now that his right hip and left hip are working evenly, and he works out, he's going to strengthen and reinforce that, which will help bring balance to other aspects of the body, mentally, physically, emotionally, systemically, along, along with the physical, like we just talked about. Yeah.
That's so awesome.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Like when there's actually something for them to refer to be able to see the contrast is so cool.
Yeah.
What about you, Chrissy?
I would have to go with the client I was telling you about from yesterday. She's come so far. She first came in with pain behind her right shoulder blade, and she also had a hip elevation on the right side. It was impacting her walk. Like she would walk and be holding it, and it would also prevent her from cooking, which she loves doing, without like taking breaks. It would just like drain her energy. And she's been doing Egoscue now for, I think it's been like 2 months. And she's like fallen in love with movement. She loves her menus. She does them like twice a day, and she's like able to cook for so much longer. She's walking more. The pain is completely gone. And if it does come back, like when she's doing something repetitively, which is typically like cooking and bending, she like knows the exercises to go to. And she's not like in that place of fight or flight and fear when the pain comes. She's like, okay, like I'm going to stand pigeon-toed, and like that works for her. And to be able to have those tools and like for her to also just create that just based off of her learning about what her body can do is like a huge success.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah. Huge win. Huge win. Well, I'll share with you guys a really great win that I had this last week with a client. Actually, since we're talking about maintenance, this is someone that I've seen for a couple of years now. And within the last year, I think maybe I've only seen him twice before this. So he's kind of graduated to that place of knowing what to do to maintain his body. So he came in and he's one of my clients that loves to challenge himself physically. So we kind of kicked the menu up a notch, did it in the clinic. Everything was great. He felt great the next day. Then after, I think maybe a couple of days of doing it on his own, didn't go so great. He had a muscle spasm. He didn't know exactly what it attributed to. So, we dissected the menu, talked about how things felt when he was doing them at home. And we were able to identify an exercise that challenged him enough that his body still compensated with that challenge. So that led to some muscle spasm in his back. Luckily, we were able to jump on Zoom from his home, and we did a new menu. And within that week, he had his go-to positions to do or exercises to do, and he was back to running, which was huge because so many people get so scared with the muscle spasm, and you think you're down for the count, out for like several weeks maybe. And this didn't have to happen to him because we were able to do an evaluation, identify what the compensations were, what was he compensating for, like attack it directly, and he's been so much better. So it was super cool to see that.
Immediate relief.
Yeah, immediate.